Hello, my name is Amanda Rodriguez and I am interested in the OT internship position you guys have open. As you can see, I am a current student at Valencia College studying health sciences. I am excited about gaining experience in the area of occupational therapy, and I want to make a difference by helping people improve their daily life routines. I attended Boone High School and graduated from there in 2017, gained experience in leadership as I was the vice president for the Spanish Honor Society and choreographer for the school's dance club. During my senior year, I attended Orlando Tech as a dual enrollment student and got certified as an early childhood development 1 and 2 instructor. I also passed the career pathways and got certified EFC 2030 selected studies in early childhood, and that earned me 3 college credits. I'm currently a scholar in the Bridges to Success scholarship program with a current GPA of 3.05, and my estimated graduation year is 2019. While I volunteered at Orlando Day Nursery during 2016 through 2017, I developed intercommunication with families and identified community resources that provide services for children. My duties were to interact with the kids through games to study their behaviors and taught them how to grab a spoon, for example, and that improved their gross motor skills. Exceptional communication skills is something I also have. When I had to speak to parents, for example, I used this skill a lot. I had leadership role when I was in classroom with the kids. Lots of patience while interacting with them was necessary and when I tried to explain something clearly. I am interested in learning more about this opportunity and I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys. Thank you.